Hey guys, welcome to my crib. I'm Nicola Abano from Build with Nick. In our previous episode, we've done the slab completion. Now we have already accomplished the brickwork. So right in front of the entrance, as you can see, is this part of the house. This house has a double doors. Mainly the house is 247 square meters. This area alone, the entryway, the living room, the dining room over here, and the kitchen on the other side. So what I've done so far is we've tried to accomplish an open outdoor living, and on the right side over here, you can see the alfresco area. Here are a few things that you need to know about brickwork when you're choosing your builder. So in New Homes WA, we're using double brick. So as you can see, we have our first brick on the inside of the house. At the same time, a second brick outside the house. One of the main reasons why we have chosen to use double brick is because of soundproofing. It prevents moisture. At the same time, it's good for thermal transmission, and it creates a stylish look if you want to have a contemporary or any modern design for your house. We are in my home theater, or like my semi-office. What I've done with this home theater is I've put a sliding door, so if I have client coming in with my photography work, selling houses, and other job, they don't need to go inside the house. They can just come in to my office. Another things that you need to know about brickwork, mainly our supplier is, as you may know, Brickmakers, that is originated or the main place here in WA. So the good thing about Brickmakers is they have a lot of design. They have a lot of colors, from yellow brick and red brick. And as you can see, I've got heaps of remaining bricks that I can use for my alfresco area. I have a lot of plans on how to build, or I would probably put a fireplace or like extension of the alfresco, or like we'll probably put a hammock, etc. So yeah, stay tuned for designing my alfresco in the next YouTube videos. Alright guys, as you can see, my lot is not a traditional rectangle block. It is a square lot, or we call it squat lot. The good thing about having a squat lot is we can easily separate the bedrooms on this side and the common area for the living room, dining room, kitchen. So in this hallway, we're gonna go to bedroom 2, 3, and 4, and the master bedroom. So like I've said, onto your right, that is the home theater or office area. So the good thing about this master bedroom is we have a sliding door. So the normal design comes with a window. So having a sliding door in your master bedroom means that you can chill out. You can open the sliding door, go out, have a coffee, and enjoy the big alfresco area. On the other side of the master bedroom, we have the ensuite toilet. This toilet has a double vanity or double sink. And on to this side is the walk-in closet. Alright guys, so this one is the common toilet or the common bathroom. It's basic, have a bathtub, shower, and a vanity. We've separated the toilet to the bathroom. The good thing about this toilet, it has a sink. So you don't have to go into the bathroom just to wash your hand. We already put a sink. So let's go to bedroom number 2, 3, and 4. So this one is the bedroom number 2. Let's go in. This one is facing towards the alfresco. Like I said, I'm planning to put a lot of plants on this side. Yeah, to show a lot of greenery. Yeah. And it has a sliding door as well onto this side. So the last two bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. Let's go to bedroom number 3 first. So we are here in bedroom number 3. One of the guidelines of the council, if you're building a block at the back of the house, there must be a bedroom along the common property or along the driveway. So this will be my bedroom. As you can see, we have a huge window facing the common property. So we are in the last bedroom of my house. This one is bedroom number 4. Most likely my brother's gonna stay here. Yeah, same thing with bedroom number 2. You have the huge window, at the same time the view of the alfresco. All of the bedroom 2, 3, and 4, they comes with a sliding door or a robe for all of the clothes, shoes, and yeah, other things. Alright guys, so as you can see, the main living room, entry, dining room, kitchen, they are 31 course ceiling, while the bedroom number 2, 3, and 4, home theater, and the master bedroom, they are 28 course ceiling. So it is a pretty much high ceiling. Having a high ceiling gives an illusion of having a bigger space. Okay, so this is my garage. It has a 31 ceiling as well. Like I said, if I'm planning to have a 4x4 car in the future for a long drive, it has a bigger space and a bigger, depth. And we have a mini storeroom as well on this area. Alright guys, so beside the sliding door in the home theater and the main door in the double doors entrance and the garage entrance, we have another access going inside my house. So let's have a look. So this one is the access towards the alfresco. Alright, so this is the access towards the alfresco. Alright guys, it's getting dark now. I really appreciate for watching my video of the episode 3 Build with Nick building process on how to build a house in Australia. The next episode will be the roof cover. As you can see, they've already finished it. They're almost halfway there. They're just gonna finish the roof cover, the ceiling, etc. So yeah, stay tuned. Also, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe on my channel. If you have any question or queries, please comment down below. Share this video to anyone who's planning to build their house. I myself building agent, so I can help them on how to build their house in Australia. Alright guys, stay safe. Bye!